In any destination comes a journey to get there. And sometimes you'll just want to spend time at that destination. Other times, you'll just enjoy the road to get there. With some good friends, we set out for a destination that we had been to before. But this time, we took the long way. Well, it's a super late start this time. Meeting up with somebody you haven't seen in a while.
Good morning. Had an excellent sleep in the Ferretti tent. Kept me warm, comfortable. Anyways, I promised you a special surprise. Look who's here.
Morning vlog.
Little morning vlog. So if you guys have been watching the channel for a while, you'll remember Wild Wild West, doing the three-wheeling. I'm also here with G from BC, who's still sleeping.
I got BCA.
I had the opportunity to meet some of the BC Overlanders.
I'm like gonna drive the Coca-Cola and I'm gonna blow my clutch.
My clutch was like coming apart.
And checked out some of the salmon spawning in the river next to camp this morning.
Driving along the main FSR and saw this dam. Decided to stop and check it out. It's really cool. There's something about that rushing water sound. It's awesome. All right, I'd love to stick around for a couple more hours, but we gotta get going. So let's go. Oh, damn. Little trails off to the side of the road, you never know where they're gonna take you. It's wild up here. Keep that line. Man down. Yeah, you're good. Yeah, you're good. Now driver, now driver. Oh, look at that. Told you can make it. The waterfall I wiped out and we started blaming Cynthia. She was saying that she was thinking of me. And now, Jess just wiped out.
Hard on my butt.
So Cynthia, you're a pain in the butt. I once said that perhaps your next journey doesn't need a destination. And all you need is to go away, get lost, and unwind. And this trip
proved it. There was no new destination, just a new way of getting there. On this particular trip, the journey was the destination. We only got like 3 weeks of weather like this where the leaves are changing and it's fresh air.
I actually want, it'd be nice to actually go out when the leaves are like totally changing at some places. It's too bad they don't have that much here in the lower mainland. They're out more in like the Kootenays and like the central BC part.
What's wrong with that? Come on, let's go.
Until next time, go away, get lost, and unwind.